She's fine.
I don't think she's
He
fine.
hypnotizes her. Watch her tail feathers.
Aw.
She's rolling over. It's not working.
Jason the chicken man.
Oh, she's fine. That's how you hold him.
Don't hurt her.
Yeah, she rolled over.
Yeah.
You ready, bud? You ready?
She's like,
I am not
to
freaking
be
having
upside
this.
down. When you do it.
Yeah, look.
Her head got chopped off. Poor
Ew.
Bill. Oh my god. She's like, what? Oh my god.
Aw.
Okay, that's just particular.